Mwancho muligereri bw'ensoko TV nande ngo kwaliga nigo cha semesa ito ya mangana Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere kulende ndo che chitigalite Ibere chibe Chinsa Isano Ibere anamona asengo kwaliga ni asumu basobono litukumanyinga ninki kegendete gokoleka no robot rugichania kuruase county ya Nyamira so mubiri bw'umuswati oyomo otokire asumu bugani oyomo mwancho muligereri negatiyo robot ruli tubwate asumu basobono unabasaki baito bagendete kolenta gaiga ase studio gongo gotebyo mwancho muligereri ikaransa oike elio nyarako bago kwemanya incenguru ku Innocent Onyango na bogoto bwatia asensemeli yo mtandao Facebook n'ensoko TV na boygo genda asensemeli ya YouTube go subscribe na goto bwatia una ensoko TV. Mwancho muligeli buna nagatebi nigo tochaka noroboti asemambia ya lero mubere bw'umuswati w'imyaka 25 otoka ase omubugani oyomo abu ase gotebekana sensemo ya Manchester eyure ase echiro ya kebirigo nakorengana na baswati bande bali yakobaga kolemiremo na barabo nigo basabira obutuki bokoreke elio komanyanga ningi kererete mubere bw'umuswati oyo gotoka asenseme yuna nemono mubiroye nigo irwa senkendu ya Nyamira ekera obutuki bwachakira
kanepa kumeku uyore ya yamna ona tuaichana sana no ntu tuasenkendu sasa tuakara
Poligeria, Poligeria, Poligeria.
Kama kembi, kama yake sakiti yote. Ndio kwenda kwa hiyo. Kama na baito, baganye tabarage. Charo rande musumu. Korre kendi yosi, janago tigirabu. Korre kendi yosi na chira seketi. Nepa ya korne ya kora sakata. Tenieke karatu kana mwasawe na kusa. Aba sakata na mwamarite je kumete kemire. Oto.
Uri nyaka cyukiambe nanje seitere nyakure secondary iwo mwana uyo tali ngato tamumanyete nenjira tokotebe kunga haru etepaya engawa agacha kurara abahiga bono ntumanye tine aliye sara iro murangu no muyigorete kurube karo murangu ore kwasi igareke suguno igoni girusi yanga karara go twete ntutaka twere sugu maene abantu baisani kumanye maene ehekaro mwana ligara ile kosuno umurango gore bwasi tome tingomo igorera osara chigeta akarari etege tokiaya bakateba arwarta karara tasiegeti igoto abana inji wa mwana ono igato tegu mane bakebirona ki igara ile oetere ncherere igana igatomani gwe
abwenete serikali bamonte bali gwe no Nyamira ali ere cheste kumaki kiaro kwa bere usaba swati akoro kongi ukereri no yo muswati yo etiki ya moya igera nkonyo goituba biro gobitora location umwana yo kuwa neko kiando ena ibunu ni tono sibire tokire Manchester ba kasire ono na inje abantu bane kero bangiya anje nanda manana abantu bane kuja kumanya maki nama ene kene ke korete kere ko sira kuwa na ikweto na agwese ko sinto bwe pa yo kere kere ko kama ngoja akaja kurara ase pa ya Manchester kwa sasa hapo nitapigia mkuu wangu simu kumwelezea tukapigia disi yao simu disi wafanya haraka wakuja wameangalia mwili na wameanza uchunguzi wa kina hapo awali ndio kulikuwa lakini ndio resultatu ile tano hivi japata kitu nyeloza hapa kidogo imetulia ilikuwa inasumbua zamani ndio lakini tumeweka mikakati tumetuliza
nekongoro kwa ni sio linongera seitokiambira ya somuswati ya ruete igo twaliro gokumio kanene kero twanyoro somuswati ya kwete nage ndo yo kumi somuswati ya tokire karaire kare busa nande nale ko sabe serikali etokonyo gutubure goromono ekaro muswati ni gorachita asa
Mwancho muligeli kwigorora batirugo ichani kurwa senseme yu ya kebirigo aso enseme yu mobogani kuruko Manchester na de kwigurenga kikeli umuswati yukonya agakora subugime bwaye byombe byabangina bikoragwa no muswati Edina Kangwana ebibiri ase chi county Ibere chiagusi nigo bye cyane ire kisegi chiekenka iki kigendete ase binyoro ebyombe byo nigo byakorete umusangirikano ase county ya Kisii.
One can show up and doesn't have to do 200% more than what the man does, in terms of a safe space where you are allowed to say your agenda, where the security agencies are actually upping the security. We normally experience a lot of gender-based violence, just like I've said, both physical and also verbal and emotional. We are saying for women to be able to come out, they have to be sure that the space is really safe for them to come out.
As we are moving forward, the country, as we are seeing everything, yesterday night I saw something from the governor, Cecile. She was insisting, she was asking the president about that gender rule. Where are our space as women in the country of Kenya?
The meeting today has been very informative, and like our theme from rights to action, we've learned today a lot, and we are emphasizing on menstrual health, and we've been told today that the 2010 Constitution says that guarantees every girl in school to be provided for with a sanitary pad.
The key take home for me is that we are supposed to empower our families first before they are able to support women. I therefore encourage everybody to empower their children, their spouses back at home, so that when leaders come out as women, we don't look them as women, we look at them as leaders.
Munchumulili tukurwa se county ya Kisii tokwenda gwika se county ya Mombasa so mutenilwe kiumbe gya Kenya Ports Authority aselieto mu Captain William Ruto oyua anyaraka bagakwerera magendero na obunchulili buli buchikobabo gokorwa asenseme ye port ya Kenya Ports Authority bunenchere ya moyogo kinya egeke kerengekyo kiabo kyobokorerie emeremo gochia ase bali bakonyaraka bagakora obunchulili nabo igo bali bakonyaraka babago ikemezigo yabo asenseme yo.
One of the things that we've done as a port is that we've automated all our systems. In this port, there is no way you will go and give money and say you are paying for a service. All our payment is done through online platform, through e-citizen, through banks. The shipping lines, they wire their money from Europe or from America and it comes into our account and it knocks off your invoice. The stakeholders, you've heard them talking. I want to single out PJ Shah. I think he has institutional memory about this port. If today you were to ask PJ Shah to write a story about the port, it will give you a very good story. Wow. From where the port was when we used to do things manually up to now where we are saying we are paperless port. This is a port where you don't need to come with papers. You come with your phone, you show, just pick up order, you pick your consignment, you go to the gate will not open if you have not paid us.
Wow.
And you don't need to show anybody the receipt. The system itself will tell us. So one of the things that we've done is we've automated all our services. There is one thing that I want to demystify about this issue of privatization and concessioning. What we are doing, and I think what we have done is we did a feasibility study of all our assets. You know, we're doing a feasibility study to see these assets that we have in this port, what is their worth. And if we want to bring the private sector to invest in this port, because again, to be able to synergize and to be able to build all this infrastructure, we need also to work with the private sector. We need somebody that can guarantee us volumes. What we are trying to do as a port is that we want to be a landlord port. A landlord port is a
Wanchumulili toko genda busimu bunge bwensemo ye bunge ya Embakasi Stimuske Babu Wino noyo bwangoiga kurwa enkwana yoko gikeli obosagani bwakorekana asobumenyo bwoyo kabero mu bunge orarie Daraval Tuju na ndomo waziri kolengana na Babu obosagani obwo bwakorekana asenga ya Tuju nigo bolema mincha yelichiko na boigo nigo bolengetie komogosereria Rafael Tuju sakobwatekaniwa nogo taka na makabeso yebengi ya East African Development eyo agatebekana bwate ale sekerengo ki bilioni ya mwenukuta kianda na bono igani gale asa maiso ya aba auctionnaire.
I want to take this opportunity to address a matter in question surrounding Honorable Rafael Tuju. And I want to state clearly that Article 40, Sub-Article 1 of the Kenyan Constitution states that every Kenyan citizen has a right to own property, either individually or in the company of others, and in any part of this country. Honorable Raphael Tuju has a property and is being frustrated on his own property. This matter has attracted a lot of interest of which is very malicious, supporters and certain members of this government, frustrating Honorable Tuju from accessing his property and or purporting to want to auction the property that belongs to Honorable Tuju is infringing on this fundamental right that is envisaged in the Kenyan Constitution. Honorable Tuju is being frustrated, being treated in a very inhuman way, his dignity being frustrated by the government because they are using police officers. And we know very well that Article 28 talks about human dignity, that every person has a right to be treated in a dignified way with respect and is being protected by the Constitution. Whatever is surrounding this issue has become political, goons being sent to his premise to frustrate him, to evict him forcefully, and we know that this matter is still pending in court. Honorable Tuju has not been given a right to a fair hearing as envisaged in the Constitution of Kenya.
Munchumuli utoka ganda busumuli kemonase wizara y'obulendi bw'eme Raymond Molo orairero mbe yabo bisa obe serikali bakorwa ase wizara y'obulendi bw'eme eligo talire nsemo ya wajia eyo kuchikoba bakorata wagachibigeti kirache gutumeka ochengira lituko lya madaraka kolengana na Omolo ugachubunigo buraire mutinyi gatano mwanchumuligire.
We are currently at 10%. We expect that we will achieve completion or substantial completion by week of May as we get ready for the Madaraka Day celebrations.
We'll be working together to ensure that we finish the project within the time we expected to finish. The airport is very important, and especially for that day, because we expect a lot of Kenyans to be here for Madaraka Day.
Working together with the two colleague PSs for the two other projects as Ministry of Defense, just to make sure that all these projects are moving together.
Unchumuligili bono tuchikaba tugo kwanere igoro yobokonye bwa muchando libwe toigo ase serikali yense ya Belarus ya rurobokonye bwe kirengo gi milioni 23 eliyo konya bali bage tuno muchando bwe toigo ekerembure enyinge yatwa obokonye obu nigo bwachire nebikoro to chianga chiema nebinto binde biria birakonye bali banyoro muchando uyu bwe toigo munchumuligili.
This aid will not have come at a better time than now, because a lot of families have been displaced as a result of this flood, especially here in the city and in the western part of the country. And this aid is quite needed by those vulnerable and affected families.
The humanitarian aid was delivered by the order of the President of the Republic of Belarus, His Excellency Alexander Lukashenko. We brought here tents for shelter, footwear, clothes, including stuff for kids, and we do hope that all this stuff will help people who are forced.
Wanchumulili toko genda bosia serikali ya kaunti ya Migori gwetere wizara ya wachenu ya sioliri eliogo tange binyinyi bienya moreo gwetere sindani eliyo kurunga le nakapaiva sekerengo gilgie gotebekana nigire chikobage gokonya gukeya ebinyinyi ebyo na nigo batebire county ya Migori negatie chi county chiri chibwato mubaro monene bwa abantu balia bamenyete nebinyinyi byenyamureo.
Stop from using the other methods of preventing HIV. The CASCO has just mentioned about the ABC, where abstinence was being used, being faithful, and also using condoms.
Migori, we've already identified 10 health facilities who will be offering these services within the first implementation phase. We have Migori County Referral Hospital, we have Ombo Mission Hospital, Arombe Dispensary, Karungu Sub-County Hospital, Mihuru Sub-County, Rongo Sub-County Hospital, Awendo, Uriri, and finally Sbania Sub-County Hospital.
PrEP champion, and I'm very lucky for being the first person to get PrEP injection in Migori County. And I would like to advise our fellow members who are at high risk there outside in community to come and get this injection because it is good. The PrEP that we were using lastly, some of them we are having discourages and some of them we are having some challenges, even in at home.
Munchimuli tokanda bosimu waziri b'uburemi Mutahi Kawe ni gatebiro mukyo obekirwe isaine mukyo utaisaine turabekwa lyo kone kinga balimiti baliko nyara kwa bakonyora umucando bwo konerwa chimbusuru n'obuyo kiri kikuru kwa bandia ni gatebire ngabono nigo lichiko libwenete korosigwa likoranga bali bakonyara kwa bakonya na kolenta chimbusuru kiri kitancheiri banyara kwa bakonyora egesusuru nabo igo ni gagatebe michandeli bakaba bagokora nige kolete gikugie nchara nabo igo koranga umulimi onyorire asalenene.
You know, counterfeit, I have spoken about this before. There is a counterfeiter of something industrial that comes from other countries. And there is a counterfeiter who is even selling fake seeds to our farmers here. And I have said, for those who are selling fake seeds to our farmers, as far as I'm concerned, it is economic treason. It is a matter of national security. It's not just a matter of farming. You know, you can take it very lightly and see just fake seeds. It is not fake seeds. It's economic sabotage. If you want to kill a nation, start by killing its food. Start by ensuring that they can't feed themselves. And the way to do that is to make sure that they have got fake seeds, they have got fake fertilizers, they have got fake chemicals. That is how to kill a country. So as far as I'm concerned, the answer to your question is that we are not doing enough as a nation in terms of criminalizing the activities that are happening in the farming sector. We are not doing enough. And we have spoken to our colleagues in Parliament, and we will be, proposing to them much stiffer penalties for those who are criminals in the agricultural sector.
Na omwelio ense ya Haiti bono nigo yaro lirogo chakiwa kwe byame binge lyo bya chakire kweliekia na maiga yobo twere kwirana asomwe Port Prince yoro muchomo ne bwense yo na asamatuka mange mucho ini gorolekana ko begesero gichisegi ikianyara ko bagekora busagani ubunge kolekana nonyene kurwa sense ya Kenya tukanyara ko batugutuma abanyanyimbo baito bagachika bagokonya kolenta omulemba sense yo wikira boni ge byama chimi Ibere 53 nigo byelikirio bosio bubocholi bochikoba bokoba nseyo.
Yes, nous inscrits dans le processus électoral là parce que nous croyons dans l'élection, nous croyons dans la démocratie.
Élection, et c'est ça que fait, nous dit dans le niveau CADOA, collectif des acteurs pour le développement et l'organisation, nous fait appel solennel ça avec les tenants du pouvoir pour faire tout ça qui est dans le pouvoir pour créer les conditions, pour rétablir sécurité, pour créer conditions pour que l'élection soit organisée.
Moncho murigiriri oikirabu toikiro mweli obwa Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere doche chiabu tokire jitaika 15 isato maiga ye Chinsa Isano Ibere aiga no botwa kumanyiria mange na nomono guna twagotebiri kurwa soroboti orwo kurwa ase county ya Nyamira buno mubiri bwo muswati yo motoka no muri kyoito Steven Nyaringe bunda no ala SSMU nagendete kwarigania roboti orwo asenjiro bikano tubugate na Chinsa 10 litokomanye aliagendete gukorekana kurwa semesa ito ya Amayia aboigo bosiaiga ni ndoche egijana gekorunga toldi nere buyaliganiri ne chingero chindito chiabasae na muyuga kana guchitegerera ali ese chiafo nyago debinga sokoro eye no yaoya nchinguru ku Innocent Onyango enda kubwa tigeta sengi ito ya Soko TV.